Back again, revealing info you just might want to know about. If you go to instaworks.com, you can download sounds. Only thing you have to do is click on the button. Who educated you on this? Epic Pixel Studio educated you on this. So only thing you have to do is click the button
Bruh.
and then click the words that's up under it. There's a bunch of different sounds. Once you click the words up under it, you go down, click download, download it to your phone, and now you're good. Hit that like button, share it. Somebody else may benefit from this.